Okay, year sevens. So earlier today we had a look at 5 important terms for statistics and probability. Just to recap, it's the words are range, mean, median, mode, and outlier. Now, if you're given a set of data, so here we have the ages of some survey participants in our class. We have 12, 12, 13, 12, and 34. So the range means the difference between the highest and the lowest number. So as we can see, 12 is the lowest number and 34 is the highest number. So what's the difference between 12 and 34? Essentially, all you have to do is go 34, take away 12. So our answer is 22. The range is 22. When you have the mean, this is the average of the response. So if you add up 12, 12, 13, 12, and 34, you'll get 83 years in total. There's 5 participants. So you divide 83 by 5, and then your mean will be 16.6 years. For median, remember middle for median. This is the middle value when the numbers are sorted from lowest to highest. So if I organize 12, 12, 13, 12, 34 from lowest to highest, I can see that 12 is the middle number. It's the median. For mode, it's the most common value. So 12 happens 3 times in that survey, 13 and 34 happen once. So therefore, 12 is your mode. The outlier is a value that is noticeably different from the main group of values. So if you look at 12, 12, 13, 12, and 34, 34 sticks out. It's the only one not in the tens, and it's over 20 more than any of the others. So 34 is noticeably different from the rest of the group, therefore 34 is your outlier. Now, over the next 2 weeks, we're going to be looking at statistics and probability with collecting data, discussing the differences between primary sources and secondary sources, investigating and analyzing different graphs, and also constructing our own range of data displays as well. So today, for this video, we're going to look at dot plots and also column graphs. On the left, we have a dot plot. It uses dots to represent each value. And then on the right, we have a column graph. So for the data, it uses columns. Now these have important features. As you can see, they have a title, favorite color. So the survey participants were asked, what is your favorite color? And they chose from one of those 5 options. There's a y-axis, which represents, which has a number value. There's an x-axis, which represents colors. You have the y-axis, the title of it, which is number of students, and the title of the x-axis, which is color. The graph on the right, which is the column graph, that is a vertical column graph. It can also be represented as a horizontal column graph, which is what we have in the middle. Now, we're going to look at dot plots and how to interpret and analyze them. So your questions for your homework is to look at this dot plot. We have a survey which is asking what is the number of pets you have at home. So we can see on the bottom, for the x-axis, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 8. Each dot represents one person and how many pets they have. So what I want you to do is think about those important terms that we just looked at earlier today and also in this video. If you need to rewind to remind yourself of what those important terms are, you can. What I want you to do is answer the following questions. State how many children have 2 pets. Remember, each dot represents one person. How many children actually participated in the survey? What is the range of values? If you need to, go back to the start of the video if you need to remind yourself what range is. What is the median number of pets? What does median mean? Look over your notes, rewind to the start of this video if you need to. What is the median number of pets? What is the outlier? Remember, outlier means something that sticks out from the rest. So what is the outlier? And what is the mode? Okay, sevens, I'll leave you with these questions. Can you please complete them in preparation for our next lesson? Thank you.